one of Anthony Leeds' Mondeos. We've got a John Kellogg Fox all down the pit lane, the David Moses Escort down the pit lane. The Borg apparently sounds amazing. So yesterday, just a little bit. Here it comes down the pit lane. Comes the RML Chevrolet, a Bill Hunt championship in that car. Hasn't been reunited with the car since then until yesterday, and it was going some yesterday. It is at the wheel of it.
Oh, that metro's loud.
Terry Carston, so many heroes. Spoke to Hunter yesterday, back in the BTCC. A race winner has next early on. Yeah. I don't stop talking. I like to introduce the cars because it's far better than listening to us talking. So for just a few laps, enjoy touring cars.
These are loud. Ah, Sierras are out there. Bastos. Listerine, Valvoline, rapid fit, baby. Who's a Valvoline one here, I think? Rover SD. Oh, the sound of real racing. Pre-1983 touring cars.
And it looks like
first race.
In the Opel Cadets looking to go around the outside of Stephen Privet. Corker's trying to go up the inside. There's almost this on there, isn't there? But Stephen Privet makes
Lot of Capri's, Escorts, Rover SD. What's happened to the Mini? Mini's slowing down.
Your question yesterday, by the way, Alan. That was advertised in that Route 33 back in the day. I didn't know the answer yesterday when you asked me. I didn't know, so I'm pleased about that one. Dick Dastardly's on the move in the Pink Rover SD1, one of my favourite
Dick Dastardly, it's wacky races.
He's going up the inside of the Droop Sloop of Austin Rutter, so the Brit drops back. Well, the Alfetta's gone exit stage left up at McLaren. That looks deliberate, actually. I thought he was lost for a moment. But he's clearly got an issue, and he's tucked himself up to the wrong way up the GP circuit to get himself out.
Mini stranded.
So that came from nowhere. And we've got the challenge for second place coming. I would expect it's got fairly TC2 and Erlen dives up the inside of Pocklington. The number 50 car just didn't have an answer. It was that run down from Druids that Erlen managed to nail. Nicely ahead of Pocklington into the lead of TC2. 5th place on the road.
cars out there on the grid. This could get messy. Nice livery on that.
Very, very good yesterday. They've got the multicoloured a little bit, but Kevin Clark, therefore, he's trying to take advantage of that sort of slowdown from Jan already, you can see that Clark is already trying to put a challenge on Nick Ford. That black 83. I think it might take a lap or two to get fully into that sweet spot, but as soon as it does, he'll be hoping that he can dominate those BMWs. Strong as ever in numbers and in strength. The bad news is into the pits again. It's come Abby Eaton, the number 50 car that has just been plagued by issues all weekend. I was excited to see that it was out there on the grid, but sadly straight back into the pits. And not looking like it's going to be taking any further part in this race, but across the line to complete their first lap, and it is Josh Lawton. And he's already and it was kind of much as the race nearly into the pit wall. There goes the number 2 Mark Farrell, who's trying to come to Rakeman, of course, is a guest class car at Capri, which means Stevie is still leading the point scoring in the pre-83 class sim fight at the moment. Well, we've got someone's gone straight on at the top there. It's the Capri. It's gone straight, and it has locked up because it's left the 11th all the way across the drive. Seals up there, seats up there even, and so the Capri of Brinkford is out of the track.
Driver SD. So he's smoking in Capri tyres there.
Ross Burley's just suddenly gone, there's no rear window on more bullets. It's like, yeah, we think it did that on the circuit as well, because the black strip that goes around the glass was at the top of Paddock Hill Bend for a good while yesterday. But yes, it seems to have not gone into anything.